He loves his job.
Alex doesn't want to get school.
Alex loves his job. All right. So last week we learned how to do a transformation. We worked on translations, reflections, and rotations. Okay. We didn't work on dilations last week. And we're not going to do that till a little later in the year, till after this quarter. There are some problems on this worksheet that have to do with dilations. We're not going to work on those. So let's start off with, first of all, eliminating those dilations. So on problem number 1, you're going to cross off problem number 1 and number 4. Now, I would say let's go ahead and keep part of that. But because it's a dilation, it's either going to make it smaller or bigger. And when you make it smaller or bigger, that'll determine when that's actually going to fit on here. So what we're working on today is multiple transformations. So this week, we're working on multiple transformations. When we work on multiple transformations, we're going to have more than one prime figure. So the first figure is going to be your figure prime. So it's going to have that one, kind of looks like an apostrophe.
It wasn't really disrupting class until you stopped.
Disrupting me. So when you look at that prime figure, that's got that single apostrophe. And then when you do the second transformation, that's got a double apostrophe on it. So it's almost like a quotation mark, right? It's got double. So how do I tell the difference between a single and a double? That's how I tell the difference. So let's do number 1 together. So first of all, number 1, it says we are going to reflect across the line y equals 5. Well, first of all, is y equal 5 a vertical line or a horizontal line?
Y equals 5. That's a horizontal.
It's a horizontal line. Always, when you talk about y equals a number, it's going to be horizontal. If it's x equals, no, horizontal goes like this, right? Horizontal is a line that goes this way. Okay? Because if you look at old westerns, right? You look at the horizon, right? The horizon goes left to right, not up and down.
That's
Okay?
a clever trick.
Yeah. If you think of your sliding glass door, do you have a sliding glass door in your house? No? Do you know somebody that does have a sliding glass door in your house? Okay. They have what you call vertical blinds. Vertical blinds are blinds that go this way on the glass door. Okay? They usually have a string that they pull and it slides everything one side and pulls back the other way. Those are vertical blinds. Okay? The other kind of blinds are horizontal blinds. Okay? You never seen what kind of blinds?
Oh, vertical. I've never seen vertical.
Yeah, sometimes they're on sliding glass doors, or if you have really big windows, then they'll do, yeah, the ones that go up and down.
It's always loopy.
Yeah. So let's first of all mark out on our paper where we're going to be reflecting across. So we're going to reflect across the line y equals 5. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, is that, yeah, that's 5.
No, it's down, it's.
Oh, here's
Start down
the,
there.
sorry, here's the point of origin right here. I thought it was up here. I saw this dark line right here and I just assumed that was it. No, it's down here. Thank you. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to reflect across this line right here. Okay, so we're reflecting across that line. So let's go ahead and do that operation. We're just going to reflect across that line. So same distance on this side as that side, so this one's going to be B prime. Same distance on this sideline as on that sideline, so this one's going to be C prime. And same thing here, you got 2 spaces here, it's going to be 2 spaces there. This is going to be A prime. Let's just go ahead and connect that together. And if you want to use color pencils or pens or something like that, when you do these, so it's easier for you to tell them apart, I will have some out here for you to do that, okay? So if you want to do that, you can. All right, now our next step, because this is a two-step transformation, our next step is to translate this now, 0x and negative 5y. So 0x, negative 5y. So we're not going to move the x anywhere, but we're going to move the y down 5 places. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is now b prime prime. We're going to move this one down 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is now c prime prime. And then we move the a down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is now a prime prime. And you're going to connect those lines as well.
Is that how like a dilation works? You have to do like multiple.
Pardon me? No, dilation would be either an enlargement or a reduction, right? Makes the figures bigger or smaller.
Yeah, I mean like, is that kind of how it works? Like how you would have to, would you have to like reflect it then?
No, no. Dilation literally just makes it bigger or smaller.
How does that work?
Yeah, changes the scale. All right, so here's what I'm going to want from you besides the picture. I want you to give me the new coordinates for a prime prime, the new coordinates for b prime prime, and the new coordinates for c prime prime. So I'll get your question in just a second. So if you look here, a prime prime would be 2, 2.
What?
What?
3, 2.
One, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't go far enough. I'm going to where my A is, sorry. Yep, 3, 2, sorry. No wonder you're getting excited. 3, 2. B prime is negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. So negative 5, 1. And then C prime would be 1, 2, 3, 1. So 3, 1. Okay. I don't want the first prime figure, I want the last prime figure. Yes, sir?
Do you want the prime thingy on all of them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's why I said that's what I want. Yes, absolutely. Good question. Yeah, I want it on all of them.
10
Okay?
That's how
All right,
it's supposed
so
to look.
this is how it's supposed to look. And again, you can do these things in different colors if you want. Okay, you can do them in different colors. That would be okay with me. I'll have some colors set out here for you in just a second. But that's what I want. So it's a double transformation. You do the first one first. You can't do them, you don't want to do them out of order, right? Do the first thing they tell you first, do the second thing second. Okay. Now, I think we've crossed off everything here that is a dilation. So this is your homework. You can do most of this in class, if not all of it in class. Okay? Alex?